What's guys, welcome back to another one of my YouTube videos, and I'm fixing my PlayStation Part 2. Now, guess what? In between the last video that I filmed in the series and this video, basically a lot of it did finish updating and did finish downloading now in War Thunder. So since I started downloading Call of Duty Advanced Warfare, Call of Duty Infinite Warfare, and all these games at once. War Thunder, I only got to 6.7 gigabytes done. Now, since this is all pre-recorded, at the time that I filmed that was at like 10 p.m. So from 10 p.m. to now, at 2 p.m. That's a long time for it to only get 6.7 gigabytes done. But also, like I said, there's other games like Call of Duty Infinite Warfare, Call of Duty Advanced Warfare, and also there is the Playroom. I guess that's something on PlayStation version 1.07. So there's that. Now, there is, according to this, 3 hours left on Call of Duty Advanced Warfare. So if I get that finished and get Call of Duty Infinite Warfare Terminal plus Zombies in Spaceland pack with the Call of Duty Infinite Warfare at the same time, basically, that would also clear up a lot. So then I can actually get War Thunder fully installed. Now, I did complete the data to start application in the last video for Call of Duty Advanced Warfare. I'm at 42 gigabytes out of 47 gigabytes right there. That's the 3 hours left. Now on Call of Duty Infinite Warfare, I only got 41 gigabytes out of the 67 gigabytes. I did complete the data to start the application though. So yeah, now if we go to the settings and go into the storage and go in here, I only have 380 gigabytes left, which is actually surprisingly good. But guess what? I still have, a good like 5 gigabytes for Call of Duty Advanced Warfare, a good like 65 gigabytes for War Thunder, a good like 25 gigabytes for Call of Duty Infinite Warfare, and I still have Red Dead Redemption and the Playroom version 1.07. So I still have all that, and also all the updates Red Dead Redemption got. So yeah. But now I have this Minecraft world that I want to delete. But I'm in between deleting it and not deleting it, because I don't know if I should delete it or not. And in this video, I'm adding my Twitch account. Since you can live stream from PlayStation, I'm adding my Twitch account and live streaming from one of the games that I have here, possibly even Minecraft. But since before everything Friday night that I did to the PlayStation, I took out all the save files and then initialized, I think that's called, the PlayStation 2L. Then on Saturday morning, well, finally Saturday, this last Saturday that I had, at the time of recording, I had I finally connected to the Wi-Fi. And guess what? The reason why? I accidentally capitalized one of the letters. Actually, tomorrow's video might be on that, but I don't know. But like I said, I don't know if I should delete this Minecraft world or not. I'll keep it. I'm going to keep it. Yeah, I'm keeping it. Now, I do have to add my Twitch account, like I said. I just don't know where you add it. Maybe in the authorized apps, I guess? Authorized accounts, I guess? Something like that. Authorized apps. No, not it though. Linked services, probably. Yeah, so Twitch, and then those obviously Spotify and YouTube. I don't usually use Spotify. I use mainly YouTube Music for work, school, and oh, it already is linked. I guess it stays linked with your account even if you remove all the data off the PS4. Well, there's that. I'm lucky, I guess, for now at least. Now I have to do my first, like, classroom, I guess. I don't know what video game to do in it too. Since, like I said, I'm loading into Minecraft. So I could possibly play a little bit of Minecraft. So, yeah. And also, I do have to hop into Madden NFL 24, see if all the saves are good and all that. I could do a baseball live stream, so then I can download it and upload it on my sports channel. Get that. So yeah, but I think I should do a Minecraft live stream. But I don't know if I would have enough time. Yeah, I'll probably have enough time. Since I have to go to dinner at 5 p.m. Right now it's almost 2 p.m. So like I said, I had to go to Sunday dinner. I always do that. I go to Sunday dinner at my grandma's house every single Sunday. So I probably have enough time to do a 1 hour Minecraft live stream and also a 1 hour hockey live stream and a possibly 1 hour good old MLB The Show live stream, and then, you know, save all the files. Just do whatever, save all the files in the each live stream, I guess, and then turn off my PS4, unplug it, pack up, go to my grandma's house, and yeah. But I'm having this as like my first live stream, and my only live stream in this video. So yeah. This could be one of my Minecraft parts, my Minecraft series that I have. Since I did, technically you could say ended, but I could still have this as one of the parts, like a live stream of it, of me playing Minecraft. Oh, and I am getting close to the, to 365 days in Minecraft. Right now, 218. Almost 219. And, yeah. I'm getting close. Oh yes, that thing that I have. Yeah, so I have a bunch of different stuff in Minecraft for some reason here. And it's just random ideas I did for for in here. I guess you could say that. So yeah. Only 5 minutes in here. So I'm going to jump cut to when I'm done with this live stream. So yeah. So I made it through 30 minutes of my live stream and I had no problems so far. Except for those, what, is there a cow here? Someone, there's a cow. There's a cow by my thing. But basically no problems yet. So yeah, so far, could change. So basically, 10 minutes left. I'm actually going to end the live stream right here, on here, because I decide I want to play Call of Duty. Call of Duty. What was it called? World War II. Call of Duty World War II. So basically, we'll be able to see how Call of Duty World War II works out on a live stream. So yeah. So this live stream will probably only be an hour, I'd say. Since I'm trying to aim for an hour in each live stream, usually like an hour. Each live stream I do on Twitch. Now I should try Call of Duty Infinite Warfare. So yeah. That could also be kind of useful. See how this is a newer game than Minecraft on the PS4. But see how like different games from different series react. So like Minecraft, it's not even a series, it's a whole entire like, franchise you could say. But also I have the Call of Duty here. But also I'm trying another Call of Duty game and I could like try Car Mechanic Simulator. Since Car Mechanic Simulator has a bunch of different developers, or develop companies, like developers, like Raven is a development company for video games, a bunch of different of those kinds. So I could try that, like I said, NHL, but I'll try that later probably. So yeah. So Twitch. The fans are blowing hot. Well, so I'm also going to try local play, which is kind of like local, you could say, for local devices. Yeah, I guess in the same network or like area, I think, something like that. So while that loads, I'm going to check my notifications since usually I get notifications. Okay, restart required. Come on, are you here? Are you still alive with me? Okay. Back up, I guess. I think after all the pain I went through, I think it takes a little longer to load on Call of Duty World War II. But for some reason on all the other games that I played so far, it isn't. Like Call of Duty Ghosts. And like I said, Minecraft. I just tried Minecraft for NHL 22, which I tried last night. I think in one of my live streams, or possibly in the last part. I forgot already. But for some reason, just Call of Duty World War II so far takes a longer time to load. What?
Flamethrower available.
What? Okay, glide bomb.
Bomb mission underway. Improvised explosives ready.
Bro. What? Why is it taking a long time to load? Why is it taking such a long time to load? Plus also, well, I really need my nice. Where's my MiG? I don't have. Well. My MiG disappeared. Not MiG, my MG15. My MG15 disappeared. Well, what? How do I keep dying? Why do I keep dying? Why, how, when, well. Cool. I was behind. I don't know how I keep dying. What is this? Hold on. It freezes.
Fire in the hole.
This PS4, it won't load. It won't load. Sometimes it freezes and it won't go back to normal.
Advised explosives ready.
Ugh.
Fire in the hole.
I'll take that MiG-42. What? Playing video games?
Advised explosives ready. Contact! Hell of a shot! Throw the other get down! They're on the upper deck! Pushing on the port deck! Enemy recon aircraft observed.
Let me get you some cheese and crackers and grapes and
No.
an apple or something.
I'm not hungry.
Not hungry. Okay. Get hungry, let me know.
Damn it, I'm out. He's moving.
How do I make that? But sometimes it takes a long time to load, but that's gonna be the thing. This YouTube video, and bye.